Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about the world of drone videography, which has completely changed the way we film and capture memories. I remember when I used to lug a 50-pound camera bag everywhere I went, just in case I needed to capture something special. But now, with my drone, I can leave that bulky equipment at home and still capture incredible footage from unique perspectives. Thankfully, I don't need to lug around a massive camera bag anymore because my drone has made it so much easier to film amazing content. So if you ever see me lugging a camera bag around, definitely let me know. I hope you enjoyed this little chat about drone videography and how it's revolutionized the way we film. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.